Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of something I bought on Mercari, and there we go. So it just arrived today. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It is so much bigger than I thought it would be. Holy crap. I thought it was gonna be a clutch, and it is like legit a full-size bag. Holy crap. Wow, I am super excited. Oh my goodness, this is huge. This is way bigger than a baguette. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, the hardware looks incredible. And this is so on trend right now. The animal print is like so in right now. So this is like amazing. And let's take a look at the hardware. The hardware looks great. This Fendi right on the buckles. And the strap is adjustable, so you can make it longer, shorter here. Here, you can make this longer and shorter right here, where the buckle is. I can't really how big this bag is. Like, this is, I didn't look at the measurements, so this is way larger than I thought. I mean, let's look at the inside. It is enormous. Oh my goodness. It has a zipper inside. And the inside is so clean. I'm so excited. I can't believe this. Okay, wow. I'm going to post more pictures of this bag on my Instagram at Designer Haul, so check me out there. But yeah, here, I'm going to zoom out so you can see how cute this bag is. Wow. Okay, so this is like my second purchase of a bag on Mercari, and so far I've been so lucky that it's actually been a lot better than I thought it would be. Thank you for following me on my channel. If you don't follow me yet, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.